Looking to pursue a diploma in aviation and start your journey in the exciting aviation industry? Sulekha connects you with top colleges and institutes across India, offering all the information you need to make the best decision for your career. Career opportunities. The Diploma in Aviation is a well-rounded course designed to prepare students for roles such as cabin crew, airport manager, ground staff supervisor, and aviation safety officer. This one-year program blends theoretical knowledge with practical training, including internships and workshops, ensuring you're ready to thrive in this dynamic sector. Eligibility for Diploma in Aviation. The eligibility criteria for this program are quite flexible. Most institutes require candidates to have completed their 10+2 education in any stream. For diploma holders in other fields, lateral entry options are also available. Admissions may be merit-based, involve an entrance exam, or require an interview to assess your aptitude for the aviation field. Top colleges for Diploma in Aviation in India. The colleges listed on Sulekha offer structured curriculums covering topics such as airport management, airline operations, aviation safety, air traffic control, customer service in aviation. Students gain hands-on experience through real-world projects and internships, ensuring they are fully equipped for the aviation industry's challenges. Course structure, duration, and fees. The Diploma in Aviation typically spans 1 year, with fees ranging between 40,000 rupees and 1,61,000 rupees. This variation depends on the institution, course structure, and location. Scholarships for Diploma in Aviation. Many institutes offer scholarships to make the program more accessible. Merit-based scholarships for academically strong students. Need-based financial aid for students from economically weaker backgrounds. Special scholarships like Women in Aviation to encourage female candidates in aviation roles. These scholarships significantly reduce financial barriers and allow students to pursue their dreams. Popular organizations hiring aviation graduates. Graduates from these programs can expect starting salaries between 3 lakhs rupees and 6 lakhs rupee per annum. Leading recruiters include Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet, Vistara, AirAsia. These companies actively hire skilled professionals for roles in cabin crew, airport operations, ground staff management, and aviation safety. At Sulekha, we make it easy for you to connect with the best colleges offering the Diploma in Aviation. Whether you prioritize affordable fees, strong placement support, or practical training, we have options tailored to your needs. Explore your options today. Compare courses, fees, and reviews. Check scholarship availability. Connect directly with colleges to kickstart your journey. Take the first step towards your dream career in aviation. With the growing demand for skilled professionals in this field, now is the perfect time to turn your aspirations into reality. Connect with our Sulekha experts and click the link in the description to learn more and start your aviation journey today.